আসসালামু আলাইকুম, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল। তো আজকে এসে পড়েছি 2022 সালের এসএসসি পরীক্ষার্থীদের ইংলিশ অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট নিয়ে। তো দেরি না করে অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটি শুরু করা যাক। তো যে অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটি দিয়েছে সেখানে তোমরা প্রথমে এভাবে লিখে নিতে পারো, এ ফ্যাক্ট ফাইল অন দ্য অ্যাডভার্স ইম্প্যাক্টস অফ এনভায়রনমেন্টাল চেঞ্জ ইন আওয়ার লোকালিটি। এরপরে দ্য থিংস অ্যারাউন্ড আস মেক আপ our environment. The main elements of our environment are air, water, land, animals, plants, etc. But as an irony of fate, our environment is being changed day by day because of various pollutions, and these changes are as old as the civilization itself. In this fact file, the adverse impacts of environmental change in our locality will be highlighted. এরপর problems. Environmental change has become a major concern in the last few decades. Bangladesh remains among the countries most affected during environmental change in the past 2 decades. The present environmental condition of Bangladesh is not at all equilibrium. Severe air, water and soil pollution are threatening as our health, ecosystems and economic growth. The dwellers of our areas are the worst sufferers of such pollution. এরপর এরকম করে পিকচার দিতে হবে, এটা গুগল থেকে পাওয়া যাবে। Reasons: air pollution. In our locality, poisonous exhaust from industrial plants, brick kilns, old or poorly serviced vehicles and dust from roads and construction sites cause air pollution. We make fire to cook food, to make bricks, burn refuses, melt pits for road constructions and burn wood. All these things produce heavy smoke and this smoke pollutes air. Railway engines, powerhouses, mills and factories use coal and oil. Moreover, motor vehicles use petrol and diesel oil. Again, all these things create smoke and cause air pollution. Water pollution. The disposing household wastes, dumping of municipal waste, hospital waste and toxic environmental discharges from mostly industries pollute both surface and groundwater sources. Food industries, fertilizers, pesticides, dyeing and painting, textile, tannery wastes also responsible for this pollution. Soil pollution. The large volume of industrial waste which is being produced every day but not disposed properly cause soil pollution significantly. The mismanagement of household wastes, particularly the polythene shopping bags, has caused serious threat to the soil and the drain system. The use of pesticides, fertilizers and sometimes fuel leakages from automobiles may get washed away by rain and seep into the nearby soil. Impact: polluted air is very harmful for health. Sometimes we in big industrial area become so sick by headache, vertigo, burning sensation of the eyes, etc. Its long-term effects may cause bronchitis, respiratory and cardiovascular diseases, etc. It is a major contributor to global warming and climate change. 2. Water pollution has very negative effects on human health. Diseases result from contaminated water like diarrhea, cholera, typhoid or skin infections, etc. It truly harms biodiversity and aquatic ecosystems. The toxic chemicals can change the color of water, the main risk in the shortage of pure drinking water. 3. Polluted soil can be a serious threat to humans who come in contact with the soil or eat food grown in it. Its effects also including breathing disorders, birth defects, skin diseases, cancer, etc. As soil pollution and soil erosion progress, animals are forced to shift habitats and adapt to new conditions. Prevention 1. We can minimize air pollution by making less use of motor vehicles and avoiding the use of vehicles older than 20 years. The government may relocate hazardous industries to the areas away from human habitations. We should therefore be very careful about keeping air free from being polluted. Proper measures and steps should be taken to prevent air pollution. We should throw wastes away in a garbage bin, not into the water. Mills and factories should not mix the waste materials and unsold products direct with water. Some other polluted water treatments consist of removing pollutants from waste water through a physical, chemical or biological process. The more efficient these processes are, the cleaner the water becomes. We must be aware of water pollution. 3. Polythene bags production, marketing and use should be banned. Pesticides and other chemicals should not be got mixed with soil. Sustainable forest management, proper waste disposal, green agriculture can reduce the pollution of soil. Last of all, we should make all out efforts to keep our environment free from being polluted. তো আজকের অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট এই পর্যন্তই। অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটি ভালো লাগলে অবশ্যই ভিডিওটিতে একটি লাইক এবং চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলবেন না। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।